Hello guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel, and today's video is I'm going to unbox the Osmo Pocket 3, my new vlogging camera. So yun nga, meron akong microphone since tulog na si Chloe. So I need microphone. Binili din ito ng husband ko pero ngayon ko lang siya nagamit since I need it para hindi ako masyadong maingay para kay Chloe kasi kakatulog niya lang, pinatulog ko na siya. So yun. Ito na siya guys, and also we got a SD card since baka kailangan ko siya dito. So ito na. Tadaan! So i-unbox natin siya. Let's unbox it. Naka-sealed pa talaga siya. It's still sealed. We ordered this yesterday and it was arrived I think 1 hour ago today. Actually this is my husband's birthday gift to me kasi my birthday is coming. Maybe kailangan ko talaga to for my vlogging. I'm starting vlogging, and also I search on YouTube na good reviews to. Maybe inirelease to last year, October, November, around November or October. So yun, bago pa talaga siya na-release. So we'll see. Wait lang, medyo napaka. So first is, pagbukas mo is meron siyang nito. I need to be careful. I need to be careful. So unang bunga nito is naka-sealed siya ng plastic. This is the bag. The bag of the camera. Okay, buksan natin. So ito na siya guys. Tada! So, open natin. Medyo kinakabahan ako. Amazing! Amazing siya guys. English. So ito na siya. In-operate lang muna namin siya kasi nga hindi namin alam. So we installed a application para ma-set up siya. So ito yung hindi ko pa alam kung paano talaga gamitin to. Pero yan, may rotation pa siya pero hindi pa natin alam. So ito. Hello guys, talaga siya. Sobrang ganda, sobrang smooth niya guys. And next is the hindi ko alam kung ano to battery handle. It's a battery niya. So ilalagay mo siya dito. Dito. Yan. Battery siya. Yan, battery. So nagcha-charge siya. So meron siyang battery. So 50% siya. Yan. So nagcha-charge siya. Next is ito. Yung meron din siyang dalang microphone para in case na medyo maingay yung background is yung voice mo is nakafocus lang dito sa microphone. Yan. Ito yung microphone niya. Expect ko malaki siya, pero hindi naman siya malaki. Parang ano lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano. So, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito. I-click mo siya dito. Next is good review ito, guys. Next is wait lang. Ang sarap lang mag-unboxing. Salamat sa asawa ko. Sobrang supportive ng asawa ko. Very supportive. Nanonood siya. Kakatapos niya lang mag-work. Nanonood siya ng TV. So, ito is hindi ko alam po ano to, guys. I don't know what is this. Pero kasama siya. Hindi ko lang alam ano yan. Next is wait lang. Matigas. Wait. Okay. Kasama ito sa microphone. May feather. Ito siya. Ay, tama ba? Ito for ano to? Tali. Ito, ilalagay mo siya dito. Yun. Yan, para, hello, mic test, 1, 2, 3. So, ilalagay mo siya dito. And yan. Hello. And then next is, I think stand to. Stand siya. Okay, so it's a stand. It's a stand siya. So ilalagay mo siya dito. So ito is handle. Yan, para ilagay mo siya dito. Ilalagay mo siya. Yan. So yan, parang gusto mo siyang hawakan is mahawakan mo siya. Yan. Then next is, wait, meron tayo. Yung charger niya. So far yun lang ata. There's a SD card, I think. Ito SD card ata to. Wait, we'll see. Ito yung adapter niya. Adapter? Hindi. What is called nila ba? It's a wire of adapter. It's a wire for charger. Cable, yeah. Cable. Nakalimutan ko. It's a cable, yes. What is this? It's a magnet. I don't know kung ano to, guys. As in, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. We'll see. Manonood pa ako ng video kung para saan yan. Nag-unboxing lang talaga ako. Want to make sure na hindi sira yung yung items para pwede siyang masauli. I think it's a lens. Maybe this one is a lens sa camera. Yeah, it's a lens. It says it's magnetic, but it was hide the lens since dito siya. Ilalagay siya dito sa may lens. Magnetic to sabi Wait lang. I think this is a magnet. No. Wait. I think it's it's a magnet to protect the screen or it's a lens. So yeah, it's a magnetic. It's magnetic lens. I don't know this one. It's maybe it's magnet. I don't know what is that. So yeah. Juicy pa. And so far yun lang siya yung naman. Dito. No more na siya. So ang ganda ng bag niya. Nakalimutan ko pala, guys. Chinek ko to. Ito, yung bag niya. Meron pa pala siya dito sa cover. Sa camera cover. Open natin. Yeah, it's case of the camera. I think you need to put it here. So, yun lang. Wait lang. Pakita ko sa inyong lahat. So, ito siya lahat. With the bag. With the strap. With the wire. With the mic. Also the feather for the mic. And I don't know what is this. Still don't know. It's a charger. Extended things to put para mailagay mo yung stand. So if you don't need the charger, is you need to use the extended. And also when you charge it, you can use this extended thing. The stand. This is the stand for the camera. This camera. The case of the camera. Lens. The lens of the camera. So yun nga, I will show you how it work. So yun nga, sobrang ganda niya, napakaaliwalas. Yan. So this is good for vlogging. Just rotate like this, and then if you want to continue, just continue. So yan. So usually I need it rotation. It is amazing. Okay. Tumaan yung asawa ko kaya medyo na. And magsashot naman sa if I don't need it. So yan lang. Yan, i-vlog ko yung asawa ko. Nakano siya eh. Sexy. Thank you for this good camera. Wait, tutur ko kayo sa aming bahay. So, likod. Oops. Hindi ko siya makita. Ayan. Sobrang ganda niya guys. Yung camera siya yung mismo nag-a-adjust. Set. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano talaga siya gamitin. Sobrang ganda niya guys, as in 10 out of 10. So I need to put SD card kasi wala pa siyang SD card. So yun lang. If rotate, continue. Yan. Yan. Ganda. Photos. If you want to photos, just low image, video, photos. Yan. If you want some photos niya. Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel! Ting! In today's video, Charis, practice lang practice. Yan, sobrang cute. Ganda-ganda. Thank you, love. I love you.
I love you.
Kiss me.
Sana all.
Cute. Yan lang guys. Hello guys. So ito pala yung camera niya. So camera check. Yan. So sobrang ganda niya. And also I will show you the outside. Wait, I will open this so that it's more good. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung labasan namin. Labasan namin dito sa apartment. So I just want to show you the example of the camera of the Osmo Pocket 3. Yan. It's really good. So this is the audio of the Pocket 3 DJI. If I didn't use the mic, wireless mic, you can hear Chloe in our background. Kinda noisy, Chloe. Noisy, Chloe. So let's try the mic with mic. So this is the audio if I use this mic. So less noisy. No noisy actually. So when I do vlogging outside, so it's good with the mic since I usually vlog outside. So this is useful for me. And also when I do speak, you can't hear Chloe in our background. Actually, she's like, but yeah, probably she wants me to get her in her bouncer, jumper. So yun, I just mic checked. So thank you sa husband ko kasi nga dancerous. He's really good dancing. He's really good in dancing. So mag-camera also. But I need to put a SD card para ma-save siya. Wala kasi siyang included na SD card. So I need the SD card to save photos and videos. So, sobrang ganda. Handy lang siya. Handy ba tawag doon? Basta handy, parang hindi ka mahirapan mag-ano. Kasi yung katulad sa phone is, ang laki niya. So, this, yeah, very basic lang siya. It's really good. And if makikita nyo lang talaga, sobrang smooth niya lang. Yung camera niya kasi is, siya yung mismo yung gumagalaw. Example, igagalaw mo siya is nagfo-focus din siya sa face mo. Yeah, I don't know if you can really. It's difficult to see. Hindi siya ma-focus yung mukha ko. Hindi talaga siya ma-focus, pero it's okay lang. Yun. It's really good. Ang ganda, 10 out of 10, but I need to be careful kasi medyo pricey din siya. So, good. So, I will put a SD card. Moving. I need to search more about this sa YouTube, how to use very well since I don't have many idea. I watch some videos but hindi ko pa talaga siya kabisado. So, it's good that I have this product. And I can practice. So yun lang for today's video. Hopefully you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And special thanks to my husband to buy me this vlogging camera. Very supportive talagang husband ko, guys. So hindi ko nga inakala na binilhan niya ako ng microphone kasi minsan pag nag-voice over ako is sobrang yung voice ko. Kasi pag natutulog si Chloe is minimize ko lang yung voice ko. So, binilhan niya ako nito yung mic. Yan. Kukonect ko lang sa phone ko. So, ewan if it's really good. I minimize my voice. Like, I think for the volume is in 100 it's like 50. My voice is very low. So, yun lang. So, yun lang, guys. And hopefully you like this video. And see you to our next vlog. Bye-bye!